You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. And we are back with Lisa Waters Lain in the studio. She comes in and just shares this whole segment is just all about Lisa. We need that other side of gardening. So she's a garden extraordinaire, and she just brings her insight. So welcome back to the studio, Lisa.
Thank you. Good to be here.
My holiday buddy.
Yeah.
It's been good.
Just you and me this year.
Well, you, me, and your mom.
And my sister.
And your sisters. It's
But
a smaller,
kids.
no kids. First time since we've been married.
Mhm.
Well, that first year.
First year, yeah.
We were married, We were married
July.
for 6 months. Had our first year solo. Very nice. Remember that? And then we had our kid the next year. So within 12 months, we had our first child, which is great. That's back how we did it back in the 80s. Is that what it was? Oh my gosh.
Late 80s.
There we go. Yeah, that makes us feel younger. So I'm thinking it's more like this is going back to newlywed, like Christmas. What do you think?
Sure.
Without kids.
But we have more
I have some big
dogs.
things planned. Well, okay, that's right. So, dogs and granddogs. We're watching a whole bunch of things. And cats.
Yeah.
Okay. Still, I'm thinking newlywed. It just sounds good.
I'm nervous.
I've got some things
I'm
planned.
worried.
Should be fun.
No. I'll let you guys know how it all turned out.
Garden tips. What do you got for us this week? What's going on?
Well, this week I really don't have any tips, but I was thinking it's a good time to think about the past year.
Yeah.
It's Christmas. Next week is New Year's, and then we're moving on, right?
Yeah.
To a new year. So it's always good to look back and go, what was great about last year? Because sometimes you feel like it takes forever, and then you turn around and you're like, oh my gosh.
Just like that. Yeah.
It's already the end of 2023.
Yeah.
Who knew that was coming? So I just like to take a look back sometimes and see what was good. So I started with January.
Okay.
So great about January was we focused more on house plants again, and made that department a little bigger. We're trying to make it better. We're trying to really educate us and our staff so we know how to help you with house plants. So we just really brought in some good quality house plants, and we brought in some good quality containers, ceramic pottery to help you decorate your home.
Yeah.
Because, Christmas, we put everything away and then we start going, kind of empty around here.
Yeah.
What can I bring in? So it's always fun to bring and just kind of redo your home, freshen your home. And January is a great time to do that. Get those houseplants in there. Helps with air quality inside your home to have houseplants in there too, since we're all closed up. So that's what's good about January.
Houseplants, even brought in some exotics. That was kind of fun.
It was fun.
February.
So February, the great thing for us was our grandson, Benicio Vidal, was born. He was born in February. But February is also just that you're just like getting ready for spring. We are. I know some people probably are not, but we're like, oh my gosh, what trucks are coming? What's going to be on those trucks? Oh my gosh, we got to get ready. So February is that just excitement month. And then this past year, it was really even more exciting because Benicio came.
Yeah. Grandkids are great. That was number 4.
Well,
and our 4 kids, we actually want more. So we just hint. We like being grandparents.
We do. That's fun. So March we always have our spring open house in March. And this year the weather was beautiful.
Yeah, stunning.
We had a great spring open house. And you know what I'm very thankful for is our vendors, the people who grow our plants and trees and shrubs and flowers. They're amazing. They really try, and they do bring us very good, high quality product. And that way we can pass that along to our customers.
I just replaced a fan on the back greenhouse, the biggest greenhouse that we have here. So we got circulation fans. And so one of them went down, and it's been 13 years since I called the manufacturer of that greenhouse. And Clay, he's still there.
Wow.
This industry doesn't change. It's always the same. I said, hey, Clay, oh my gosh, I thought I'd get it. You're someone else. I thought you'd retired. Nope. I'm still here. Yeah. Say, hey, send me a fan. Within 3 days, had a fan for the greenhouse. Way to go. Great. That's what I love about this. And our growers and our sales reps they've been there for 20
Long
years
time.
because this
Mhm.
industry is that kind of industry.
It is. It's a
So-
very nice industry to be in. So that was March. April was at the end of April, we got amazing roses.
Yeah.
in. And our roses this year were spectacular. And we had a lot of new varieties for people because they're always coming up with new things. We had new stuff. And this year will be the same way. We have our fiber pot roses actually will come in February.
Yeah, I think
And that's
yeah.
it's a dormant rose, but it's fully rooted out and it's in a fiber pot, so it's very easy to plant. And we have new varieties in that too. So roses are always fun, and we have a great climate for roses.
This is rose. This is a rose. We grow better roses than anywhere else in the country, except
Mhm.
maybe California, and even better there, even better than Portland. We don't have all those spots and
Right.
all the
The
issues that they
disease, yeah.
have because we're dry and we're bright. So they love this elevation, but we're not so
Mhm.
cold. We got to protect them like crazy in the Midwest.
Mhm.
We're just easy. So yeah, this is good. A friend of mine, we serve on the Arizona Nursery Association board, Tyler Francis Roses. He actually introduces over 80% of the roses on the planet. He
Wow.
breeds, grafts, creates new colors right there in Casa Grande.
Cool.
And I get to meet with him once a week or once a month, excuse me. Tyler, you are awesome. And he represents us, at the legislature.
Right.
He goes, represents the United States in Europe because he's
Mhm.
introducing roses there, but he lives right here. He's an Arizonan.
Wow.
So that's the history Arizona's famous
Yeah.
as far as gardening goes, especially
It is.
roses.
That's true. Okay, so I kind of lumped May, June, and July together because it's
Okay.
just so busy
Yeah.
here. It's just
Spring.
it's all like one to us
Yeah.
because you hit
Whirlwind.
the ground running and you just go. But the thing I love about May, June, and July is just their customers. They come in droves. They're amazing. They're fun. They come to our classes. We do our Saturday classes, and they come wanting to learn.
Yeah.
They want to know. And yeah, some of them are new in the area, but how great is it that they want to learn how to garden, how to take care of their yard, how to be in their communities, and being out there making everything better. So I think just our customers and our staff in those months, I mean, we rock and roll, and we just have some really nice people that we hang with.
We have generations
Mhm.
of customers. So this year will be 62, or is it 63? I have to do the math on that.
63, I think.
I think it might be 63 years we've been in business. So we're the second generation. Our daughter, Mackenzie, is the third generation. So we got 3 generations working here at the Garden Center. And we've got 3 generations of customers that have here. Our oldest will turn 100 this year. So still coming in. Once a gardener, always a gardener. Yeah, you bring an assistant, kind of help them out, but they're still gardening. It's
Yeah.
amazing. Some of our customers invented, literally created
Some of the
some of the
products.
plants and the products that we sell. They live right here
Yeah.
because they retired here, but it's just amazing the stories. So
Right.
that is the fun
It's
piece.
So great. I was, we've all been out shopping this week, getting ready for Christmas. And Kinsey and I were in a store, which I won't mention. And one of the employees walked by and she goes, "Why do I work here?" And I went, "Oh." And I'm so thankful I don't have that attitude.
Yeah.
And maybe because we just have really great people working with us and
Yeah.
for us, and community is
Yeah.
amazing.
I had a kid, and I won't say where, because the employer would be mad. But basically, when I find a really good employee, I go, "Hey, listen, if ever you're looking for a new move, you seem to have a good spirit. You seem to really like what you're doing. Come talk to me. We have a garden center down here." And so you find really great employees because this is a great place. We're the place where employees put their roots down. So we won't go down that path very far because we're only into spring.
That's
and you
true.
got 2 minutes left.
So August was Dancing for the Stars.
Oh my gosh, you're bringing that up.
It was great.
Yeah, it was fun.
You did such a wonderful job raising money for the community. It was fun watching you dance. It was fun watching customers get excited about what you were doing. And it was a lot of work. And I kudos to you because I know it was a lot.
Dancing for the Stars is the main fundraiser for the Boys and Girls Club of this county.
Mhm.
And so I agreed, and they have 10 dancers. I was one of them, and we won the whole gig. So it's 65,000, 67, 68. I've forgotten already how many thousands of dollars for the club. Is well worth it, and great cause.
So you did good for that.
Thank you.
And then September was our Grapes for Good
Yeah.
event that we do here at the store, which was also very successful again. And
Yeah.
lots of good money raised for the Rotary, which supports
Math and reading clinics, kids, schools. I mean, I think they just funded one of the veterans' kitchens or something. So they take that money and reinvest it in our community. So you got 30 seconds.
Okay, I will close it out real quick. So we have October, November, December, which it was just gorgeous here this year. So
that's why we live here.
The weather was amazing. The fall color this year was spectacular. And people came in and celebrated that. So it was fun.
All right. Thank you, Lisa. So the 12 months of this year, the highlights. Thank you so much for being here. Ken and Lisa Lain, the Mountain Gardeners.
Look, if your wife, mom, or dad wants an ugly sweater for Christmas, get them a sweater, not some piece of plastic.
But if someone you truly care about loves their garden, a gift card to Waters makes perfect sense.
Next spring, she can pick exactly what she was hoping.
We all know it's not the same as a huge flower basket or fragrant rose, but hey, it's winter. Gardeners understand.
Waters online gift cards are found at top10plants.com or at Waters Garden Center in Prescott.
For a more fruitful garden, increased success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.